Here's a video review and testing of car undercarriage water pressure washer. It's connected and powered by Sunjo 2000 psi power spray. The 1/4 quick disconnect fittings easily attach the wand and extension to main unit. Saving you time and making job easier to finish. Once connected to a power spray, the washer can be easily operated by pushing, pulling to car under chassis by the heavy-duty casters. This is perfect if you live in the areas where there's a lot of road salt. It protects your car from rust and preserve your car's value. It comes with 2 extension wands to easily reach the areas of your car without moving around the vehicle. It removes road salt, mud, sand, grime and fuel contaminants under SUVs, trucks, cars and trailers. It has a maximum pressure of 4000 psi and a minimum of 800 psi. It easily cleans the underbody of your car. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click like and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching.